The Indian Prime Minister is undoubtedly the most celebrated leader across the globe. Each country he visits, small or big, they adorn him with their highest honors. In 11 years as the Prime Minister, Narendra Modi has received 29 international awards, making him the most internationally celebrated Indian leader. On 18th December, Sultan of Oman conferred upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi the Order of Oman Award for his exceptional contribution to India-Oman ties and his visionary leadership.
एक ऐसा ब्रिज जिसने हमारे रिश्तों को मजबूत किया, कल्चर और इकोनॉमी को ताकत दी। आज हम विश्वास के साथ कह सकते हैं कि समंदर की लहरें बदलती हैं, मौसम बदलते हैं, लेकिन भारत ओमान की दोस्ती हर मौसम में और मजबूत होती है।
2 days before this occasion, Prime Minister Modi was in Ethiopia, and on 16th December, he was conferred with the East African country's highest award, the Great Honor Nishan of Ethiopia. In July 2025, Prime Minister Modi was visiting West Indies country, and in Ghana, he received the Officer of the Order of the Star of Ghana on 2nd July.
The Republic of Ghana hereby confers on you, Your Excellency Narendra Modi, the state honor of Officer of the Order of the Star of Ghana.
On 4th July, Trinidad and Tobago conferred the highest national award, the Order of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, to the Indian Prime Minister.
The Republic of Trinidad and Tobago is now being awarded to the Honorable Shri Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of the Republic of India.
Then on 6th July, Prime Minister Modi was conferred with the key to the city of Buenos Aires by Mr. Jorge Macri, Chief of the City Government of Buenos Aires. Two days later, he received the highest national honor of Brazil, the Grand Collar of the National Order of the Southern Cross, on 8th July.
Pelo Imperador Dom Pedro I e restabelecida pelo decreto número 22.160.
When he went to Cyprus in mid-June, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was conferred with the Grand Cross of the Order of Macarius III on 16th June 2025.
The Grand Cross of the Order of Macarius III सम्मान के लिए मैं आपका, साइप्रस सरकार का और साइप्रस के लोगों का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं।
On 5th April, southern neighbor of India, Sri Lanka conferred the prestigious Mitra Vibhushana medal to Prime Minister Modi. Prime Minister Modi received the highest civilian award of Mauritius at the National Day celebrations on 12th March 2025.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.